Hello internet world, welcome to a video nobody asked me to make, but I felt like it, so I'm going to do it. This is a new mechanical keyboard I purchased for myself. This is the DeepCool KG722 65% mechanical keyboard. What's a mechanical keyboard, you ask? Isn't that just a fancy term for keyboard? Well, you'd be right. So I was interested in getting a 65% keyboard because I currently have a full keyboard, mechanical keyboard. This one is by our good friends at Ducky, who make really great keyboards. And I got this one and customized it from mechanicalkeyboards.com. Not huge customizations, just asked for specific type of switches, which I'll show you. Just wanted the silent red, the cherry red, because I like those ones. I don't like a lot of clickiness, so I tend to shy away from blue switches and things like that. And I wanted a full-size keyboard with a number pad and everything. So on my current keyboard, very quiet, good response time. I use it for work only, lots of typing, and I've enjoyed this. And quite frankly, I was going to get another Ducky. Then I went to Canada Computers. I live in Mississauga. Oh, did I just out myself? Oh well. And basically, I came across this on for sale. This one is the DeepCool. I've never heard of it. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. And by you guys, I mean just myself. So, it comes in a very nice packaging. Pretty standard. Who am I kidding? And it's a very nice 65% keyboard. It's got the keys written. It's a little louder than what my current keyboard is, because according to this one, I did pick it up specifically based on the fact that these are supposed to be Gatreon or Gatreon, depending on what part of the country you're from, red switches. So with that in mind, I thought, oh, I like red switches. I don't need a lot of return or a delay on my keystrokes. And it's a nice size. It's very compact. It's good for taking it on the go for travel. It's supposed to light up. I haven't unplugged it in or anything like that. It's the first time unboxing this. Here's my cable for the keyboard. And so let me just do a little sound test here. Honestly, a little louder than I'm used to. A little more clicky than I'm used to, but because with my Ducky, it's a lot softer because I had the extra silent red switches for cherry red switches, but I don't mind it. Let's give it a go. The texture and the feel of the keys is nice. I wonder how quickly they'll turn shiny with my greasy fingers, but we'll see. But yeah, thanks for joining me.